Hi everyone, this is Ngozi's World. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make stir fry. I've got my ingredients set out here, so I'll be looking at the first one here is the bell pepper. I've got the green and the red bell pepper already cut. I've cut them already down. I've got my spring onions, which is this one here, and the fine green beans. I've got also here my Nigerian dry pepper that I'll be using for this stir fry today, and I've got here cooked chicken diced already. I've got my green peas and my sweet corn. I use this to measure really, so depending on what you want to do and the number of people you're cooking for. I've got my prawn here as well. I've got my other ingredient that's gonna go in as well. I'll just go through them. So this is my Italian dry herbs, my nutmeg. I've got my soy sauce here as well, and I've got chow mein. This is really good when doing, in fact so delicious when you use it for stir fry. It's really nice. I've got my, of course, my salt. And behind here I've got paprika. I don't know how you guys call it. Right, so, and that's my spoon to measure the salt I'll be using. Not I'm just gonna take you back to these two guys here standing. Right, so you can use either virgin olive oil or a flora. So as for me, what I'll be using today is that one, the flora. I love using flora, it's really good for the heart. And one more thing guys, you know I mentioned prawn and chicken, right? Some people don't eat chicken, so if you're not a chicken fan, you can use beef if you like. And if you don't eat beef and you don't eat prawns, right, this one is parboiled already, you can just, you know, use the normal vegetable and add more of the other vegetable, like, you know, cauliflower, the other stuff. Just add them just to your taste really. But as for me, all you see here is what I'll be using today to make my stir fry. And sit back and watch me cook. Here, this is the start of my stir fry, and this is a pan on here, and also I've put a little bit of oil, you can see that much, and I used this, which is about 15. Right, so I'm going to let that heat up a little bit, not too hot. And the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'll say, is put my onion in it. You see that? Yeah. And let this fry for like say less than 2 minutes. Okay. Let that go. Then you can add, remember I said I was going to use this spoon to gauge my salt, so I'm just going to put very little of it. You can see I'm not putting everything on the spoon, so I still left some of them. I'll put that out. Well, everything still boils down to how you want to put your salt, whether you want to put it straight away, everything straight away, or just do bit by bit like what I've just done now. So I think that's okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, guys, watch, is to put in this, my spring onions and my fine beans in there. I'm just going to allow that to simmer a little bit. I'm not closing it, so it's just going to be open cooking throughout. We'll just stir. I'll let it cook for say another 2 minutes. Hi Hi guys, now I'm going to put my pepper, Nigerian pepper, everything in there. Some drop of my nutmeg. Sorry guys. The herbs and paprika as well. Then a little bit of my soy sauce. Then I'll stir. The next is everything going. The green pepper, and you see how that color is. See how beautiful it is. It looks like, isn't it? It looks very beautiful, all greeny. Okay, and I'm just gonna stir a little bit and allow it to simmer for say 3 minutes, and I'll be back. Right guys, you can see how this is turning out, right? See how nice it looks. Very, very nice. Smells. I wish you're here. I can smell the aroma so like want to dive in now and start eating, but not here because I'm still halfway making that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add the Maggi, which I didn't mention before when I was talking you guys through. So that's 1 cube of the Maggi. I'm just going to put that in as well, and I'll stir. Okay, so that's all coming nice. And the next thing I'm going to do is to put the the green pea and the sweet corn. That goes in there. Okay, I'll do the same stir. I'll stir again like before. Can you see all the greens, the yellow and the red all coming together? That looks really lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Like I said, if you're making stir fry, depending on the number of persons you're cooking for, that will determine the number of ingredients or the quantity of ingredients you will be using. You can see how nice this is coming up. See how beautiful. It is different combination of colors. So what I'll be doing next is to pour in the chow mein. Nice. That's the chow mein going in there. Okay. Really, really good. Should have done it in a professional way, really. So, the chow mein. You can get it from any store of your choice. It's really nice. And the next thing I'll do to stir around. Stir around. Give it a good stir. Some of you will be thinking, now this is quite big. It's quite big. Well, I've got a big family. That's why I'm making this much. And they'll be having it with rice. You can have this with anything really. You can have that with boiled potatoes. You can have this with rice, and you can also have this with pasta if you want. But please don't have it with gari and soup, eba. For those of you who don't understand what it is, this is just for rice, pasta, spaghetti, and boiled potato really. So I'm going to allow that to cook for another 3 minutes, and everything is perfectly voila. Hi guys, this is the last bit. Now I'm going to bring that down and serve with rice. Remember, all through it has to be on very low heat so it doesn't get burned. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll show you the next. Hi guys, this is the outcome of my stir fry. I'll be serving this with white rice. Like I said before, you can serve it with white rice, pasta, boiled potato, as you want it. Try it guys. I'll show you the next plate. Hello guys, this is Ngozi's World, and as you can see, this is the outcome of my stir fry. On the plate here is served with white boiled rice, fried plantain, sliced cucumber, as well as carrot. If you do love what you see, please do subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button, and share with friends and family. I hope to see you soon, and do not go. Please sit back and watch the full video. Love you all guys, and hope to see you soon again. Bye.